today's video, I'm going to show you how to sanitize all my tools and equipment and how to disinfect. I use lukewarm water to rinse all the dust out on my tools. So after rinsing it, you need to use another clean water and put a little drop of I use a dishwashing soap to clear all the residue or all the dirt, and I use the nail brush to brush each of my tools. So in this, I'm going to brush each item or each tools using my nail brush and continue using the water with the dishwashing soap. Brush the nail cutter and stuff that you've been using with your clients. Make sure everything should be rinsed and twice so that the soap will be removed. You need to make sure you rinse it with a clear water. And then aside from washing the tools, I am using a Magnasonic Ultrasonic cleaner. You can put just a regular water, tap water, and a maximum level, and then you can put chemicals on it. Use a PREempt. This is recommended from the school that I went. You can just like put 2 drops in the water and it is ready to use. Once surface cleaner and disinfectant. This is really good for salon use. This is a tuberculide bactericide, and it is a good for disinfectant any surfaces. And I'm using this one too, this machine, the Ultrasonic cleaner. This machine did include with a basket, and then you just gonna turn on the button and it will sit there for about 3 minutes and run. So once it's done, you can have it getting ready for a clean towel to make it dry. Thank you all for watching. Hope you like and enjoy this video. If you want to know more about this Magnasonic, I'm gonna put the description down below for more your information. Thank you.